Imagine spending a huge amount of money on the latest iPhone, expecting to experience the future of artificial intelligence, only to find out that the most anticipated feature is not even available yet. That is exactly what is happening with the iPhone 16. Apple introduced Apple Intelligence as a revolutionary step forward, aiming to make iPhones smarter and more intuitive. However, months after its announcement, users are still waiting. And based on recent comments from Apple Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook, that wait is far from over. One of the biggest promises of Apple Intelligence is the advanced version of Siri. Apple has been working on making Siri more capable, allowing it to handle complex tasks across apps and interact with users in a more natural way. Instead of just responding to voice commands, this upgraded Siri is expected to take a more active role in managing the device. The problem? It is still not here. Recently, Tim Cook mentioned that the new Siri will launch in the next several months. While that may not sound too bad, Apple originally planned to introduce Apple Intelligence with iOS 18.4 in April. Now, reports suggest that it may not be fully available until 2026, which is a major delay. This delay is frustrating for those who purchased the iPhone 16 expecting to be among the first to experience artificial intelligence-powered features. The device was marketed with two major upgrades: Apple Intelligence and the new camera control button. But with artificial intelligence features being pushed back indefinitely, it makes the iPhone 16 feel incomplete. Adding to the frustration, Apple Intelligence will not be available in all regions, and European Union users will have even more limitations due to strict regulations. With this uncertainty, many are wondering if upgrading to the iPhone 16 is even worth it. If Apple Intelligence is not fully functional until 2026, then iPhone 16 users may only get a partial experience, while future iPhones will likely have a more refined version. This situation makes the iPhone 16 seem like a temporary step rather than a major leap forward. For users who want the best artificial intelligence experience, waiting for the iPhone 17 might be the smarter choice. Despite the delays, Tim Cook remains confident in Apple's artificial intelligence plans. During a recent earnings call, he described the upcoming features as something users will not be able to live without once they try them. That is a bold statement, but it also raises expectations. If Apple Intelligence turns out to be nothing more than a minor software improvement, many users could feel let down. Apple has always been known for delivering polished and innovative products, so failing to meet the hype could damage its reputation. Meanwhile, Apple is not the only company pushing artificial intelligence in smartphones. Samsung also emphasized artificial intelligence when launching the Galaxy S25 series and its Galaxy Unpacked event. However, the early response suggests that Samsung's artificial intelligence features are not as groundbreaking as expected. While Galaxy I does introduce some useful tools, they do not seem to redefine the smartphone experience just yet. This means that both Apple and Samsung are still searching for ways to make artificial intelligence a must-have feature, rather than just another selling point. Right now, the iPhone 16 and the Galaxy S25 are both excellent smartphones, but neither of them delivers a game-changing artificial intelligence experience. The delay of Apple Intelligence only makes it harder to justify upgrading to the iPhone 16, especially since its most exciting features will not be available for a long time. With this in mind, many users may decide to wait for the iPhone 17 to see if Apple Intelligence is fully developed by then. So do you think Apple is making the right decision by taking its time with artificial intelligence, or will this delay hurt the iPhone 16's reputation? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.